This is Lesson 28 in the Mr. Circuit STEM Coloring Activity book. In this lesson, we introduce an electronic canary circuit. It's an electronic circuit that will emit chirp sounds similar to that of a bird singing. You can use the potentiometer to adjust the chirps. The schematic diagram for the electronic canary circuit is shown on the lower right-hand side of the page. It has some of the schematic symbols that you were taught in earlier lessons of this STEM activity book. You may remember from Lesson 11 that a 555 timer IC can be used to generate tones and other interesting sounds. This circuit was designed by engineers using the 555 timer IC and a 2-transistor oscillator to make sounds like a singing canary bird. If you use it around real birds, they will begin singing. On page 28, you see that the artist shows the Mr. Circuit robot holding a singing canary in a bird cage. At the bottom of the page, what does Mr. Circuit say? Mr. Circuit says, here's an electronic canary circuit using 6 resistors, a 555 timer IC, a push-button switch, a potentiometer, an NPN transistor, a PNP transistor, 4 capacitors, and a speaker. Please draw a circle around the schematic symbol for each of the 4 capacitors on the schematic diagram at the bottom right-hand side of the page. Here are some important things that you were taught in this lesson. 1. What components are used to make this electronic canary circuit? 2. That this electronic canary circuit uses a 555 timer IC with a 2-transistor oscillator to generate chirping sounds like a singing canary. And 3. How to spell and pronounce electronic canary circuit. To finish this lesson, please color in the Mr. Circuit robot on page 28. Now remember, when you complete this STEM technology book, you will receive a certificate of completion.